Life as we know it is great right now, but are you prepared for the unexpected? If you want to be in charge of your own destiny, the time is now to train for whatever may be down the road. Storm Mountain Training Center in West Virginia offers multi-day firearm courses in real-world scenarios on over 200 acres. From entry-level defensive handgun courses to the rigors of advanced sniping and machine gun operation, students will be honed to face the challenges associated with high-risk environments or incidents. If you're a firearm owner and want to master your weapon and learn the skills to survive and protect, contact Storm Mountain Training Center at 304-446-5526. 304-446-5526. From handguns to machine guns, Storm Mountain offers civilian, law enforcement, and military training to prepare you for whatever may be coming. Call 304-446-5526, 304-446-5526, or stormmountain.com.